How to Visual Studio Code. Shortcut for Python. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering the essentials of Python development in Visual Studio Code. In this video, we'll cover the key aspects of using VS Code for Python programming, including enabling extensions, navigating the command palette, utilizing the fast file finder, installing optional features, and running Python files. Enable Python extension. Ensuring the Python extension is enabled is crucial for your Python programming journey in VS Code. This extension provides essential tools for editing, debugging, and running Python code. 1. Launch Visual Studio Code. 2. Click the extensions icon in the left-hand panel 3. In search bar, type Python and select extension 4. Click the Install button. Master Command Palette Navigation. The command palette is a powerful tool that can save you time and effort when working with VS Code. It allows you to execute a wide range of commands, from opening files to running debugging sessions. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P Windows or Command plus Shift plus P Mac to open the command palette. 2. Type the command you want to execute and press Enter. Navigate files with Fast File Finder. Use the shortcut keys provided to access the Fast File Finder and efficiently locate the files you need for your Python projects. Press Ctrl plus P, Windows or Command plus P, Mac, to open the Fast File Finder. Type the name of the file you want to open and press Enter. Enhance with Pylons extension. An optional yet valuable extension for Python development in VS Code is Pylons. It provides additional features and improves the language server functionality. Open the Extensions tab in VS Code, search for Pylons, and select the Pylons extension by Don Jayaman. Click the Install button to install the extension. With these essential skills, you're well equipped to leverage Visual Studio Code for efficient and effective Python development. Enjoy your Python programming journey.